One of the most common questions I get from teenagers, what can I do to make belly fat go away? I wanted to talk about 5 major myths and give you what really works. Myth number 1 is that if you do sit-ups, that's going to melt belly fat. There is some truth to that, because if you do a lot of sit-ups, that can exercise your abdominal muscles. That is great, building stronger muscles in your abdomen, arms, legs, back, everywhere. That can help with your insulin resistance, that can help with your hormonal balance, so that can improve your overall metabolism. So it's great to do strength training for your whole body. Now, just doing abdominal exercises with the thought that if you do sit-ups, the belly fat is going to go away, I'm afraid it's not going to work like that. And the reason is, if you are going to get into a healthier weight, your whole body needs strength training. Your whole body needs lower body fat by getting to a healthier weight. That will improve your belly fat eventually. Now, if you are in your ideal weight and you still have some belly fat, building muscle in that area can make it better. The idea that if you eat unhealthy, you don't exercise, you don't do any other strength training, you just do sit-ups, your weight doesn't change, you're above your ideal weight, and the belly fat is going to disappear, that's not going to work. Myth number 2 in regards to belly fat for teenagers is that the answer is cut out all the carbs from the diet. Again, this is not right, because teenagers need carbohydrates for energy. They need to have carbs to get to a growth spurt. If you don't have enough carbs in your diet, and if you're especially underweight, that can also hinder your height. You may end up being shorter, you miss periods if you're a girl, you may not develop into puberty normally, and all those things. So I will tell you, though, that it's not eliminating the carbs, but it is more to try to choose carbs that are healthier. That will mean whole food carbs like oats, fruits, brown rice, beans. The amount of complex carbohydrates when you get brown rice instead of white rice, when you get whole wheat pasta instead of white pasta, pasta made of lentils versus white flour, replacing simple carbs with complex carbs, eating healthier carbs can help with belly fat. It's not the carb per se, but the type and quantity of carbs that help with belly fat. Myth number 3, belly fat is just cosmetic. Truth is, besides being cosmetic, doctors worry about the health implications of belly fat. When you have belly fat, that means there is fat around your liver, and that can create fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease has increased risk for liver fibrosis and liver cirrhosis. You can have severe insulin resistance, and that increases also your risk in the future, not only for chronic liver disease, but also for type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is the type of diabetes that you get after having many years of unhealthy weight, particularly, as we call it, visceral fat. We don't want belly fat because of health implications. And that's really what your goal should be, is to focus on how you can balance your hormones naturally. If you do that, the belly fat will get better and hormones will get better. Myth number 4 is that if you have this special diet or this detox tea or this special drink, then you're going to lose your belly fat. I see that advertising a lot in supplements. The truth is that these supplements that advertise like they can make your belly fat disappear don't work. They can harm you. They can harm your metabolism. They can harm your mental health, because then you don't get the results you wanted. And after this huge deprivation, you may end up overeating. So being consistent and having small daily habits, following a healthy lifestyle, eating enough, drinking enough water, sleeping enough, having balanced meals, having the protein, do sustainable, healthy habits is what is going to get you to the result you want and eventually remove belly fat. Finally, is the myth that believing I'm like stuck with this belly fat and nothing is going to change. This is just how my body is, right? The truth is that hormones play a big role into the distribution of the fat in your body. Like, for example, we know that girls that have more estrogens tend to have more fat in their hips compared to boys. That is just a natural phenomenon. However, that doesn't mean you are stuck with belly fat and there's nothing you can do about it. If you want to get into a healthy weight, have realistic goals, and do the things we talked about, sleep, stress, activity, healthy carbohydrates, this can improve your health. They can gradually reduce your belly fat. Your body has a certain belly fat right now. Doesn't mean that this cannot change. A lot of people change every day, and you can see your body getting different. Even when you go into the growth spurt, becoming taller alone will help your body have a different size. That alone can help the belly fat look different. So don't get disappointed and don't think that just because you are this way today, that means this is the way you will be for the rest of your life. If you have that thought, you will never change because you will never take action. You will never start getting into healthy habits needed to get better because you feel nothing can be done. First, believe you can change and start implementing those healthy habits. To summarize, the belly fat is not going to go away just because you do 100 sit-ups every day. However, consistent strength training exercise can help. Doing quick fixes is not going to make it with detox diets. It's not going to make it go away. But if you are making more daily, consistent, small habits, that is what is going to help. It's not only about cosmetic, it has health implications. If you find this helpful, share it with friends and family. Go to lifestyleforteens.com/free for free resources. Sign up for my newsletter where I send out an email every week. And if you're watching this on YouTube, like and subscribe. See you next week. Take care.